AG is aligned to gaming industry because it draws from the animation and the gaming industry. It has a lot of potential there. So we have been designing buildings for games. So if you know PUBG, this one is looking at building a hospital for 2050, and then trying to optimize the geometry, in this case, for online performance. It has to be work on your phone. So the geometrical constraints here are a bit different from the physical world, where it needs to be optimized for economy, cost, budget, etc. But here, also there is a budget, but the budget here is polygon budget. It has to work on your phone. It has different constraints, but it still has constraints. It looks at like a lot of spatial modeling, looking at how people navigate a space. It's a shooting game. People have to move in the space but not see other person. It's kind of a bit different from the actual architectural side, where we want to see a lot more people. But in this case, it's a bit on the other side, where you don't want to be seeing others. So it's using the same spatial modeling technologies, which was presented earlier in some other presentations today, but adapted to a gameplay scenario. And then optimizing of the geometry to work with a lot of the gaming constraints such that it works on a phone. One of the most powerful things to do here is like you can actually put it on a game. 1 million people came to visit the building, so you know how people are using this space, and you can use this to inform when you actually build the building. So it's kind of an aid to similar to spatial modeling and navigation tools, which was presented in the previous presentations, but adding that with real data, like people are visiting the building, navigating it in their own way, and trying to get that data is very powerful and helps build the actual building much more with a lot more added information.